When it comes to tactical blades, we're not just talking about cutting. These knives are built to perform when everything else fails. When grip, balance, and toughness can decide between mission success or failure. In this video, we're showcasing 20 of the most incredible military tactical knives that combine strength, precision, and reliability in the field. All the updated prices and purchase links are down in the description, so check them out after the week. Alright, let's jump straight into it. SOG Pentagon FX. Built for professionals who live on the edge of action, the SOG Pentagon FX isn't just a knife, it's a mission partner. This full-tongue fixed blade is crafted from CPMS 35VN stainless steel, offering an exceptional balance of edge retention and corrosion resistance. The handle is designed with GRN scales that can be detached for easy cleaning or replaced for a slimmer carry setup. It's a small detail that makes a big difference when you're operating in mud, sand, or harsh terrain. What sets the Pentagon FX apart is its modular sheath system. You can configure it for multiple carry styles, scout, vertical, or inverted, depending on how you move. Every part of its build screams tactical purpose: low-profile grip, symmetrical double-edged blade, and quick deploy retention that never fumbles. Operators praise it for its agility and control in both defensive and utility roles. It's fast, balanced, and ready for whatever comes next. A knife you can count on when precision meets pressure. Gerber Strongarm. When it comes to field-proven reliability, few knives carry a resume like the Gerber Strongarm. It's a favorite among service members for good reason. A 420 HC full-tang fixed blade that's been tested in real combat and survival scenarios. The ceramic-coated finish keeps reflection low and corrosion resistance high, while the rubberized, diamond-textured handle ensures a rock-solid grip even when wet. It's versatile too. The multi-mount sheath system allows MOLLE, drop leg, or horizontal belt carry, adapting to your gear setup without compromise. What makes the Strongarm special isn't flash or gimmicks. It's pure reliability. From cutting rope and opening crates to life-saving defense, this knife has been there, done that, and kept its edge through it all. For soldiers, adventurers, or anyone who values dependability above all else, the Strongarm stands as one of the most trusted blades ever made. For tops knives, Zaboo Express, inspired by martial artist and designer Lassie Zaboo. This knife is pure combat DNA forged into steel. The tops Zaboo Express features a 1095 high-carbon steel double-edged spear point, perfectly balanced for thrusting, slashing, and defensive maneuvers. At first glance, it's sleek. In hand, it's a weapon with intent. The 5.75-inch blade offers an ideal ratio between speed and penetration, and the black traction coating minimizes reflection while boosting corrosion resistance. The micarta handle gives a secure grip, even in gloved hands, and the design naturally guides your index finger for precise control during high-stress situations. Whether you're a tactical professional or someone who values preparedness, the Zaboo Express delivers power in a design that's all about agility and purpose. Fast, lethal, and elegant. This blade is the definition of tactical minimalism done right. Cold Steel Recon 1XL. Big, bold, and unapologetically aggressive. That's the Cold Steel Recon 1XL. This folding knife is often described as a pocket sword, and once you handle it, you'll know why. The 5.5-inch blade is crafted from CPMS 35VN steel, giving it an edge that bites deep and holds sharpness for the long haul. Cold Steel's signature triad lock ensures rock-solid blade stability. Zero play, zero failure, even under punishing pressure. Texture without adding unnecessary weight. Despite its intimidating size, it opens smoothly and carries surprisingly well, thanks to a reversible pocket clip that keeps it discreet when folded. This isn't a knife you take lightly, and it's one you carry when compromise isn't an option. From tactical defense to survival backup, the Recon 1XL is an apex predator among folding knives. Zero tolerance. 6. ZT0006. Precision engineering meets field durability. That's what zero tolerance is all about. And the ZT0006 proves it perfectly. This fixed blade knife is built from CPM3V tool steel, known for its incredible toughness and resistance to edge chipping, even under extreme conditions. Its 6.9-inch blade features a full tang construction with a DLC diamond-like carbon coating for stealth and durability. The spine thickness gives it serious heft, while the fine edge geometry keeps it razor sharp for detailed work. The OD Green G10 handle provides a comfortable, confident grip that feels natural in any position, forward or reverse. It's designed to withstand the punishment of hard field use while maintaining balance and control. The ZT0006 comes with a custom-molded Kydex sheath, tight retention, silent draw, and modular carry options for tactical adaptability. If there's one word to describe it, it's professional. This is the kind of blade that doesn't need hype. It's all precision, performance, and purpose, straight from Zero Tolerance's elite lineup. Benchmade Adamas. The Benchmade Adamas is more than a knife. It's a tank in your hand. Designed for combat durability, this blade was built to withstand extreme punishment without compromise. The Crewwear tool steel blade delivers outstanding edge retention and toughness. And to top it off, a portion of every sale supports the Intrepid Fallen Heroes Fund, meaning this blade not only performs, it gives back. If you want a tactical folder that's as dependable as a fixed blade, the Adamas is built to serve, built to last, and built for warriors. Zero tolerance. ZT, general lineup, e.g. ZT0308. Precision, power, perfection. That's the essence of zero tolerance, and their flagship ZT folding knives embody everything the brand stands for: elite materials and flawless engineering. Take the ZT0308, for example. A powerhouse of CPM20CV steel, offering incredible edge retention and corrosion resistance. The blade's stone-washed finish gives it a tactical, low-glare appearance, while the titanium frame lock ensures unbeatable strength and stability. ZT's oversized pivot and smooth KVT ball bearing system make every deployment effortless yet authoritative. The kind of smooth action that feels mechanical and alive at the same time. The G10 handle overlay provides aggressive traction and a comfortable grip for long-term control. It's a knife that looks like precision and performs like armor. Whether it's the 0308, 0562, or any of ZT's elite models, each one is crafted for professionals who need a folding knife that can take on fixed blade duty, day in, day out. Zero tolerance doesn't make average knives. They make instruments of confidence. CRKT M16. Born from the mind of legendary designer Kit Carson, the CRKT M16 is one of the most recognizable tactical folders ever made. It's lightweight, fast, and purpose-built for rapid deployment. The Tanto-style blade, crafted from 8 CR14 MOV stainless steel, offers piercing strength and easy maintenance, ideal for everyday tactical and utility tasks. CRKT's signature Carson flipper allows instant one-handed opening, while the auto-lock safety system turns it into a virtual fixed blade once locked. The aluminum handle keeps weight low but control high, and the textured grip ensures it stays steady even in gloved or wet conditions. It's available in multiple sizes, finishes, and configurations, from EDC ready to full-on tactical deployment models. The M16 is more than a knife. It's a symbol of CRKT's mission to blend innovation, performance, and affordability into gear trusted by professionals worldwide. When reliability meets speed, this is what it looks like. Benchmade Infidel. Few knives command respect like the Benchmade Infidel, a true icon in the world of automatic out-the-front OTF blades. Engineered for elite military and law enforcement use, it delivers pure, uncompromising performance. The double-edged dagger blade is forged from D2 tool steel, giving It incredible edge retention and piercing power. With a single push of the machined thumb slide, the blade rockets forward with authority and retracts just as fast. Its 6061T6 aluminum handle is precision milled for a secure grip and perfectly balanced for fast deployment. Despite its aggressive design, the Infidel feels smooth and controlled in the hand, a blend of elegance and danger. Every detail screams Benchmade quality, tight tolerances, flawless action, and that unmistakable mechanical sound that tells you this knife means business. For operators, first responders, or collectors who demand performance and prestige in one package, the Benchmade Infidel remains the standard of excellence in OTF design. Microtech SOCOM Elite. The Microtech SOCOM Elite isn't just a knife, it's a precision-built masterpiece designed for tactical supremacy. Since its debut, it's been one of the most trusted folding knives in professional circles around the world. The blade, available in LMAX or M390 steel, offers outstanding cutting performance with extreme corrosion resistance. Its modified clip point profile gives it versatility for both combat and utility use. What truly sets the SOCOM Elite apart is its ergonomic handle geometry. Crafted from 6061 T6 aircraft-grade aluminum with inlays of textured rubberized grip for total control. You can feel the difference immediately. Balanced, solid, and ready to move with you. The knife features Microtech's signature side-opening automatic mechanism, firing open with precision-engineered power. The glass breaker, lanyard hole, and deep carry clip make it as practical as it is tactical. In short, the SOCOM Elite is the kind of blade that makes an impression. Functional enough for combat, refined enough for collection. Every piece is precision machined, every movement deliberate. That's the Microtech way. Zero tolerance, 0562. When power meets precision, you get the Zero Tolerance 0562, a collaboration between ZT and knife designer Rick Hinderer that has become a modern legend. This folder features a CPM20CV stainless steel blade with exceptional edge retention and toughness. Its slicer grind delivers smooth, efficient cutting, while the stone-washed finish keeps reflections low and hides wear beautifully. The titanium frame lock with hardened steel insert ensures rock-solid lockup, and the KVT ball bearing system gives you that signature ZT smooth deployment. Fast, fluid, and effortless. The G10 front scale and milled titanium back combine comfort with absolute strength, making the 0562 one of the most balanced hard-use folders ever built. It's compact enough for daily carry but built to survive in the harshest field conditions. Whether you're using it for tactical applications, rescue work, or just everyday precision tasks, the 0562 performs flawlessly every single time. Zero Tolerance designed it for professionals who can't afford failure. And it shows in every detail. From the battlefield to the kitchen counter, every built for combat, survival, or craftsmanship, the right blade is more than a tool. It's confidence in your hand. It's readiness, anytime, anywhere.